In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal in the Paperform project editor. To get started, open your Paperform project and enter the editor interface for the form or project you want to work on. Make sure you're inside the main editing area before moving forward, since the payment settings are managed from within that workspace. If you have multiple projects, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct one so you don't accidentally update the wrong form. Once you're in the editor, go to the Configure section. This is where Paperform keeps the core settings that control how your project behaves behind the scenes. Inside Configure, look for the Payments module and open it. This area is specifically designed for setting up payment processors, adjusting checkout-related options, and managing how customers will complete transactions through your form. When you're in the Payment settings, you'll see a list of supported payment processors. From that list, choose PayPal. Selecting PayPal tells Paperform that this is the payment method you want to connect and use for this project. If you're setting up payments for the first time, it's a good idea to move slowly here and make sure you pick the correct processor, especially if your account supports more than one option. After selecting PayPal, the next step is to authenticate the connection by logging into your merchant account. This is the part where Paperform and PayPal securely link together so that payments submitted through your form can be processed properly. Follow the login prompt that appears and complete the sign-in process using your merchant credentials in the secure PayPal window. As you do this, make sure you're signing into the correct business or merchant account, particularly if you manage multiple PayPal accounts. Using the right account now helps avoid confusion later when payments start coming in. Also, allow the connection permissions requested during the authentication process, since those permissions are what enable Paperform to communicate with PayPal successfully. Once the login is complete, the connection should be established, and PayPal will be linked to your Paperform project. At that point, your payment processor setup is in place within the editor, and you'll be ready to continue configuring the rest of your form as needed. That's it for connecting PayPal in Paperform.